Hi there. Welcome to Opal. Today I'm going to walk you through the survey functionality. This is our main screen, the dashboard. You get to surveys. I'll open the menu and click on surveys. So in Opal, you can send different types of surveys. To start, we'll create a template. There's a few example templates here. You can make a training through a survey. You can attach a video and ask some questions. You can require users to get a certain score before they're able to move on. It could be a conflicts of interest survey, really could be anything. It could be an employee pulse survey. It's completely customizable. So we start out by creating a template. We'll just call this one vendor security. So this is if I was going to send some questions to a third party. So I can send these surveys either externally or internally. I can allow anonymous responses if I want. I can enable scoring. I'll just skip that. And then I can add sections. I can add questions. I'll just show you a completed one because that'll be easier. So this is just an easy one here. It's a dinner survey. So I asked, what kind of food are you in the mood for? It's multiple choice. Question 3 is conditional. So let's click into that. I'll show you how this conditional functionality works. So I only show this question when they answer the previous question a certain way. And then this fourth question, similar. If they answer it the other way, then they get this question. So I'm able to preview the survey. So this is what it looks like when somebody gets it. This is what they'll answer. You can see the progress bar up there, and then they'll submit, and they see the message there. If I want to send this out now, here's the settings. Here's where I can add a file. If I wanted to add a video, I could add a video here. Or if I wanted to add a document, I could add a document, ask questions about the document. So it's not a full-fledged training replacement, but it's really good if you don't have another training solution. Okay, so if I want to send this one out, I'll create a campaign. Here's my campaign. I can name it whatever I need to name it. I can select an owner here. Just select dates. I can do this if I want, automatic reminders. I create the campaign. So it's that easy. I can add recipients. So I can either choose my internal users here, or I can add external contacts. So I'll just show you what this looks like. Okay. I can also upload. If I wanted to a lot of people, I can upload recipients. So I'll just add this person. And then all I do is this, launch campaign. Done. So then what's going to happen is I'm going to get an email. Oh, here. This is what that looks like. I click the link. I don't have to log in. It's like a magic link. So either internal or external users can use it as needed. Here I go. I'll just say, okay, that's it. Now it's submitted. I can see the results. I can run an AI evaluation if I want. This won't tell me much because there was just one response. But it can be helpful for larger data sets. It's telling me a little bit about it. What's it about? Giving me some suggested next steps. I can add observations if I want. Now let me show you one more thing. What can be really helpful is this program's functionality. I can add a program, which basically means that it's going to recur. So if there's something that I want to have happen every year, or every quarter, every month, I can set up this program. So I don't have to go through the process of doing this every single time. I'll just show you how this works by building one. So I just type in what the program is, what questionnaire I want sent out, the owner of the program, who the audience is. I could choose to send it to everybody, or I could just select certain departments or seniority levels. And then here's my schedule. I can do all the different schedules, custom date cycles per year. We have a change in that'll be able to add as many rounds as we want, so we won't be limited to just 4. That's coming. I'll create the program and it'll automatically run on the cadence that you choose. So that's surveys in a nutshell. Thanks.